Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transform Claude code into an incredibly powerful AI-powered bug bounty assistant using the DeepSeek models. We'll start by setting everything up from scratch, and then I'll walk you through the exact workflow I use during bug bounty hunting. You'll see how AI can help you analyze JavaScript files, discover hidden API endpoints, review Burp Suite HTTP requests, generate custom Recon scripts, identify potential vulnerabilities, and even write professional bug bounty reports, all while keeping your API usage surprisingly affordable. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete workflow that you can start using immediately to make your bug hunting faster and more efficient. As always, remember that ethical hacking requires proper authorization. Make sure you have explicit permission before testing any assets. This video is for educational purposes only. Let's get started. First, let's get Claude Code installed on our system. Head over to the official Claude Code documentation page. Here you'll find installation commands for different operating systems. Simply copy the command that matches your environment. In my case, I'm using Kali Linux inside WSL, so I'll copy the Linux installation command and paste it into your terminal and press enter. Within a few moments, Claude Code will be installed on your system. And that's it. The installation is complete, so our first step is done. Now let's set up the AI model we'll be using. Visit the DeepSeek website and top up your account. You can choose any amount depending on your usage. For this demonstration, I'm only adding $2, but if you're planning to use it regularly for bug bounty hunting, I'd recommend adding $5 or $10. That should be more than enough for most recon and analysis tasks. Once the payment is complete, open the API keys section and create a new API key. We'll need this key in the next step to connect DeepSeek with Claude Code. Now head over to the DeepSeek API documentation page. Here you'll find the environment variable configuration. Simply copy the commands, replace the placeholder with your own API key, and paste everything into your terminal. That's literally it. Claude Code will automatically detect the configuration, and from this point onward, it will use your DeepSeek API without requiring any additional setup. Now, type Claude in your terminal and press enter. The Claude Code interface will open, and as you can see, it has already detected the DeepSeek configuration automatically. If you type a /, you'll see all the available Claude Code commands. One of the most useful commands is models. Open it and you'll see all the AI models available for your account. For this video, I'm selecting the new DeepSeek V4 model because it's extremely fast, consumes significantly fewer tokens than the Pro model, and is more than capable of handling most bug bounty tasks. If you're working on something that requires deeper reasoning, you can always switch to the Pro model whenever you need. Let's quickly verify everything is working. I'll simply enter a basic prompt. Perfect. The AI responds correctly, which confirms that everything has been configured successfully. You can also check which model is currently active. Also, you can monitor your token usage, review your API costs directly from Claude Code, and whenever you're finished, simply type exit to close the assistant. Now comes the interesting part. Let's see how we can actually use Claude Code for bug bounty hunting. Our first prompt is to perform a complete JavaScript security assessment. It analyzes the file for exposed API endpoints, GraphQL queries, authentication mechanisms, hidden routes, admin functionality, file upload features, WebSocket endpoints, hard-coded secrets, API keys, access tokens, configuration leaks, and many other common security issues that are often overlooked during manual testing. While it's processing the file, you'll also notice that Claude Code continuously displays the token usage, so you always know approximately how much each task is costing. Let's wait for the analysis to finish, and there we go. The assessment is now complete. Take a look at the results. It identified every vulnerability I intentionally placed inside this JavaScript file. It also explains each issue in detail, assigns an appropriate severity level, describes why the issue is risky, and even provides recommendations for testing or remediation. If you want, you can immediately ask it to generate a professional bug bounty report based on these findings. Now, Just to be clear, this app.js file was intentionally made vulnerable for demonstration purposes so you can clearly understand what Claude Code is capable of finding. When you're testing real targets, simply download the JavaScript files using wget or curl, then run the exact same prompt against those files. But here's something even better. You don't actually have to download the JavaScript files. You can simply provide the target URL directly. Claude Code will fetch the page, inspect the source, analyze the JavaScript, and begin looking for interesting endpoints and exposed functionality. For this demonstration, I'm using Google's support website. I'll provide the prompt and let Claude Code begin its analysis. As the scan progresses, it may ask whether you want to continue with additional investigation steps. You can simply approve those prompts if you'd like it to go deeper. For this demo, I'm stopping the process early. Even though I interrupted it before completion, look at how much useful information it already found. Within just a few moments, it discovered multiple API endpoints, hidden functionality, interesting application behavior, and even several exposed API keys that would normally take much longer to identify manually. Now let's move on to another extremely useful workflow. This time, we're going to analyze a raw HTTP request exported directly from Burp Suite. Simply paste your Burp request into a text file, provide it along with the prompt, and let Claude Code perform the analysis. The output is honestly impressive. It generates a structured table listing every potential issue along with its severity, affected location, explanation, and possible impact. But it doesn't stop there. It also recommends different testing techniques and even provides example payloads and commands that you can use during manual verification. This makes vulnerability validation much faster, especially when you're testing large applications. And once you've successfully confirmed a vulnerability, you can immediately ask Claude Code to generate a complete bug bounty report. It creates a clean, professional report containing the vulnerability summary, impact, reproduction steps, proof of concept, remediation recommendations, and everything else you'd normally have to write manually. That alone can save a huge amount of time. Now, let's move on to my favorite use case, creating custom Recon automation. Instead of searching GitHub for someone else's scripts, simply describe your workflow, list the tools you want to combine, and Claude Code will generate a fully working automation script for you. Whether it's asset discovery, subdomain enumeration, JavaScript analysis, URL collection, endpoint extraction, or vulnerability scanning, you can build your own workflows without writing a single line of code yourself. This is honestly one of the biggest productivity boosts for bug bounty hunters. Finally, let's take a look at the API dashboard. Here you can monitor every API request, total token usage, request history, and exactly how much each task has cost. In my case, after processing roughly 3 million tokens, the total cost was only around 9 cents, which is honestly incredible. You can even filter usage by individual model to compare costs and optimize your workflow. Considering the amount of work Claude Code can automate, this is significantly cheaper than paying for a full Claude subscription if your primary goal is bug bounty hunting. For just a few dollars, you can automate repetitive tasks, analyze large JavaScript files, review HTTP requests, generate reports, build Recon scripts, and dramatically speed up your entire workflow. I genuinely think more bug bounty hunters should start taking advantage of this setup. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next.